Smoke alarms often go off due to dust, steam, low batteries, or misuse of the hush reset button. If your alarm is beeping, first identify the cause. For dust, vacuum the exterior vents monthly or replace the unit every 10 years. Steam from cooking or showers can trigger alarms. Relocate the alarm or install a heat detector instead. Low battery chirps indicate the need for fresh alkaline batteries. Avoid rechargeable ones as they corrode. Misusing the hush reset button can desensitize the sensor. Reset by fully powering off on or replacing batteries. Test monthly by pressing the test button. Remember, never disable alarms permanently. The U.S. Fire Administration advises testing alarms quarterly. Consider upgrading to dual sensor smoke alarms that combine ionization and photoelectric detectors to reduce false positives caused by dust and steam. Smart smoke alarms connect to home automation systems like Amazon Alexa or Google Home, providing app-based alerts and self-testing features that use AI to differentiate between actual fires and false triggers. Voice-activated hush features allow you to silence alarms using commands, reducing the physical overuse of buttons that can desensitize sensors. Emerging battery technology includes self-charging models powered by kinetic energy or solar panels, which could eliminate problems with low batteries. Always maintain your smoke alarms properly. According to the NFPA, dust and steam are the leading causes of false alarms. If issues continue, consult a professional for help with interconnected hardwired smoke alarm systems.